I've personally faced the frustrating issue of glazed terracotta blocks sticking to slime blocks in redstone circuits, and after trying many approaches, I found reliable ways to fix it. This video will guide you through the process for a complete Minecraft glazed terracotta slime block redstone glitch fix. First, we look at reloading your game. When blocks get stuck, it often means the game's internal memory has a small error. Restarting Minecraft forces it to reread all information, clearing temporary glitches and allowing blocks to update correctly. It's like giving your computer a fresh start. Next, consider block placement order. Minecraft has specific rules about how blocks interact. If you place them incorrectly, the game might not register their stickiness. Breaking and replacing them in a logical sequence resets their physical properties within the game's code, ensuring they respond as intended to redstone signals. Then we focus on resetting redstone components. Sometimes the issue isn't the blocks but the redstone dust repeaters or comparators. These can get into a locked state or have miscalculated power values. Removing and replacing them forces the game to recalculate their behavior from scratch, resolving hidden conflicts that prevent block movement. Finally, for stubborn problems, we explore using world backups. If a glitch has corrupted world data, restoring an older version goes back to before the glitch happened, ensuring a clean slate for your redstone build. This last resort guarantees a working environment.